Hi, this is the third part of our video clip on Module I Care You, Paper 1, Set 1. Okay, so let's see whether we can start drawing now. Okay, in this topic of statistics, the very most important thing for all the students that you must remember the formula of mean. That is, mean is sum of x over n. Variance is sum of x squared over n minus mean squared. Okay. And for question number 1 and number 2, obviously this is an ungrouped data. Okay. So let's begin with the sentence here. They say that there are 15 numbers and the mean is 9 and the variance is 150. So when we already know the formula, it is so easy for you to substitute inside. For example, here we know that mean is 9 and then the number of data is 15. So sum of x, sum of all the 14 numbers is actually 135. Okay, 135. And then in another set of information, there is variance. Variance is 150 equal to sum of x squared over 15 minus 9 squared is 150 plus 81 times 15. It's 3465. So these two values is before a number is taken out. Okay, and there is mentioned here a number is taken out. A number means the value of 15 now will become 14, and then the sum of x now is 135 minus m. So the mean decreases by 2.5, means that it is 6.5 now. Okay, so 135 minus the value is m over 14. M should be 44. Okay, so M is 44 for question A, and then for question B, they want to find the sum of squares of the 14 numbers. So what we have to do now is that the new sum of the square of the 14 numbers must be the original minus 44 squared. Okay, so 3465 minus 44 squared. It's 1529. Okay, so let's continue with number 2 now. Again, we'll be using the same formula because this is ungrouped data. So there are 8 numbers here. So the mean is 7. So mean is 7. So we write that 7 equals sum of x over 8. Sum of x is 56. Okay. And then the standard deviation of 8 numbers is 2. So we have here standard deviation, so we can use variance is sum of x squared over 8 minus 7 squared. So 4 is sum of x squared over 8 minus 49. 9 plus 4 times 8. Its sum of x squared for this question is 400 and and combination. A committee of a robotic club consists of 6 members. The committee will be chosen from 2 teachers, 4 boys and 5 girls. Okay, find the number of different committees that can be formed. When we mention about committees, usually it will involve combination. So where is no restriction, mean regardless of how many teachers or boys and girls, we have a very simple solution. We have 2 plus 4 plus 5 is 11. C6. That's all. Because there is no restriction of choosing how many boys, how many girls, or how many teachers. So just put all together, them have equal chance of be chosen. So 11 shift C6. So 462. Question B. The committee must consist at least one teacher. When we say at least one teacher, it can be 1, 2, 3, or 4. But remember, there are only 2 teachers that is available to be chosen. So there is a method that I've been teaching my students here so that they can easily do this. Okay, so when they say at least one teacher, so we just write teacher and non-teacher. Non-teacher means boys and girls. Okay, so for the first one, I need one teacher, so I need 5 non-teachers. I need 2 teachers. I need 4 non-teachers. The availability of the teacher here is 2. The availability of the non-teacher is 9. Okay. So our first calculation is 2C1 times 9C5 plus 2C2 times 9C4 equal to 378. Okay, I still remember in question number 2, this has come out in SPM. So this might be a clone question. So NCN. So I always start by teaching my student to just try to press up 11C11, 5C5, and they will anonymously say that for question A, NCN is 1. So for question B, 4 students are to be selected from 4 students, from 6 boys and 5 girls to participate in a quiz. So this is definitely not permutation. Find the number of different ways to choose the participants if all the 4 students are boys. If all 4 students are boys, so, well, it's just like 6C4. That's all. So all 4 students are boys. Is 15. Part 1. Part 2. 1 boy and 3 girls are chosen means that 6C1 times 5C3. It's 60. Okay. Now the final one, we have 4 minutes left here. I think I shall continue this with another session. Okay, so linear law will be in the next video clip. Thank you.